Okay, so we've all been there, right? You ask an AI for something amazing, something brilliant, and what you get back is, well, kind of bland. Today, we're going to change all that. We are going to dive into how to ask the right questions to turn your AI from just a simple tool into a seriously powerful teammate. I mean, you know the feeling. You ask your AI for help, you're all excited for some breakthrough solution, and the response you get is just completely underwhelming. It's a super common problem, and let's be honest, it's pretty frustrating. Just take a look at this. You ask a big, general question like, help me be more productive, and the AI just spits out the most generic, textbook advice you can possibly imagine. It's like you asked for a five-star meal and they brought you a dry cracker. You know it's capable of so much more, so why does this keep happening? So, what's the secret here? What's the deal? Well, it's actually a pretty simple but really powerful shift in how we think about it. The problem isn't the AI's intelligence, it's the quality of our instructions. It's time we stop asking vague questions and start giving crystal clear directions. And this skill actually has a name: prompt engineering. Now, hey, don't let that word engineering intimidate you. All it really means is getting good at writing instructions in plain language, instructions that the AI can actually understand and act on. You could even think of it this way: your prompt is your code. And believe me, the difference it makes is just night and day. A great prompt is the key that unlocks a truly breakthrough solution instead of just another frustrating dead end. This is exactly why learning how to ask is probably the single most important skill for getting the most out of AI today. Okay, so how do we actually master this? How do we get good at it? Well, I'm about to show you three powerful but really easy to use techniques that are going to immediately level up your results. Think of this as your pro playbook. All right, our first technique. And this one, it's a total game changer. Give the AI a role. So instead of treating it like some generic search engine, you assign it a specific professional persona. And this does more than just add a little flavor. It actually helps the model access the right clusters of data for that expertise, focusing its massive knowledge on exactly what you need. And doing this couldn't be simpler. You literally just start your prompt with the magic words, act as a. That's it. Then you just define that role. Are you talking to a life coach who specializes in values clarification? A senior programmer who can review your code? Or maybe a clarity coach who can help you cut through the noise in your business strategy? You get to decide. I mean, just look at the transformation here. On the left, a vague request gets you a generic, boring list. But on the right, we've given the AI a job title and a specialty. And instead of a simple list of common values, you get this guided, thoughtful exercise to help you uncover your own core values. See the difference? It's huge. Let's move on to our next technique, which builds perfectly on the first one. So if assigning a role gives the AI a job, then giving it a blueprint tells it exactly how to do that job. You'll see that structure is absolutely everything. A really great prompt has a clear structure, kind of like a formula. You start with a role, which we just talked about, then you clearly state the task. After that, and this part's crucial, you list out all your specific requirements and constraints, like what to include, what to avoid, and finally, you tell it exactly how you want the output formatted: a bulleted list, a table, you name it. This slide really drives home the power of that structure. Asking it to write a blog post is like buying a lottery ticket. You have no idea what you're going to get. But a structured prompt that defines the role, the audience, the target keyword, even the section headings, that's not a request anymore, that's a professional brief, and you get a professional result to match. Our third and final technique is maybe the most powerful of all, especially for those nuanced tasks like matching a specific tone or style. It's got a technical name: few-shot learning. But all that really means is that the AI learns from just a few shots, or a few examples. The idea is so simple: showing is always better than telling. And the process here is incredibly straightforward. You just feed the AI 2 or 3 high-quality examples of exactly what you're looking for. The key here is just to label everything clearly so the AI can tell the difference between the pattern and your new request. Then you just give it your new task and watch it follow the pattern you just showed it. It's pretty amazing. So look at this comparison. Asking an AI to capture a brand voice is so abstract, it's really difficult for it to understand. But when you show it 3 posts that perfectly capture that voice, it learns the pattern, the word choice, the sentence structure, the personality. The result is content that feels totally authentic and consistent, not robotic at all. Now, when you start combining these 3 techniques, the role, the blueprint, and the example, something pretty incredible starts to happen. The AI stops feeling like a glorified search engine and it starts feeling like a versatile, expert collaborator. And just like that, you have this whole team of specialists right at your fingertips. You can have a personal finance advisor create a budget based on your values, a language tutor who gives you instant feedback, a code reviewer who spots bugs for you, or even a strategic advisor to help brainstorm your next big move. Look, if there's just one thing you take away from all of this, let it be this. The quality of the AI's answer is a direct reflection of the quality of your question. It's that simple. If you want those breakthrough, mind-blowing answers, you have to start asking better questions. So now you have the playbook. You know how to give a role, how to provide a blueprint, and how to use examples. The power isn't just in the AI anymore. It's in your ability to guide it. You're the director now. So I'll leave you with this final thought. An AI is only as good as the questions we ask it. It's like a mirror, reflecting the clarity of our own thinking. Now that you have the tools, I'm curious. What's the first smart question you're going to ask? If you found this explainer valuable, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share it with someone who would enjoy it too. And let me know your thoughts in the comments. I promise I read every one of them.